Hi, I'm Dan from Rock, and today we're doing this.
We are running some music sessions for young people in the Aber Valley. We've had funding from the Community Council and we're looking to put on an array of workshops through the summer, aiming to tackle antisocial behaviour. SYDIC offers a safe place for young people to take part in activities. Places like our annex, we've got an area where we can set up instruments, and obviously if you're trying to learn music, trying to do that at home, it's quite a difficult thing, especially if you're making lots of noise and annoying your parents and your neighbours. We've got drums, bass, guitar, vocals, sometimes we get synthesizers out, making raps. So a lot of the guys come in today and they've actually chosen a Green Day song they would like to learn, so we've been working on teaching them that. We've brought a company in called Rec Rock to help deliver the sessions too.
We're building the confidence through music, they're improving their communication and teamwork and skills by playing in a band. We're just doing songs they like and having a good laugh.